Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lucy. Today is not about me. Don't look at me. Look at her. This is Tamara.
Hi guys.
My friend.
There's me.
And today, there's me. Today we're gonna do her makeup. She likes to do her makeup. She loves to look, glammed up. But she's not like a professional. Neither am I. But I know a little bit more about it because you guys know I had my skin issues in the past. We went to Target because I was telling her how you can find everything you need for your makeup on a budget. You really don't need to go to Sephora. So anyways, guys, I have everything here. I'll be saying everything that I'm using and putting in the description box. Yeah, are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait.
Super exciting. Okay, the first thing we're gonna put on, she already washed her face and moisturized, is primer, and I got her the NYX Angel Veil primer, and I actually love this one. It's an old school one. It's like it's all focusing on your face.
I know.
It's an old school one.
It's touchscreen.
But it's like a holy grail, guys. So yeah, this is a good one if you're looking for a really good primer for normal to dry skin. I would suggest getting the other one, but if you have normal to oily skin, this is a good one to get. So yeah, I'm gonna give it to you and you're gonna put it on your face. Don't forget eyelids.
Okay. Oh fuck. Stop this.
Just apply it like
What? Okay.
lotion. So next we're gonna use these Eco Tool brushes. They're foundation brushes. They're for blending cream and liquids. So I'm gonna try to open this up. My hands are a little weak, but we're gonna open this bad boy up. And this is what we're gonna use for our foundation. So the foundation that we picked up, I'm super excited about it. It's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear in the color 530. When I tell you guys this is her exact match, it's crazy. Like, it's crazy. And I just picked it up. It's so funny. But, yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to start with the foundation. It's a little watery. I got to shake it up. To start. And we're going to blend. So what's the foundation that you usually use?
Me, this is the Sephora one. I forget what it's called.
It's the Sephora brand?
Yeah.
Okay, and what do you feel like is wrong with that one that you felt like you needed a new one?
So I really actually like that one. The one that I've been using though recently is, I think it was the Maybelline one.
Okay.
That one I didn't really like.
And
it wasn't really
like?
my color.
Okay.
What else? It made me dark.
Do you feel like you have trouble color matching?
Yes.
All right, we'll insert a clip of her doing her makeup. And yeah, I just noticed that, she's a chocolate girl and you can easily wash out a chocolate girl. You really want to brighten when you're doing makeup on a chocolate girl because, like I said, you can easily wash them out and you can really make somebody, like, their face change by using the wrong shade. So I try to go, like, not lighter, but brighter. So maybe, like, even if she's a neutral undertone, I would try to go for a warm undertone or cool, depending on the shade of the person. And that sometimes will just brighten up their face because with makeup, the whole point is to look better, right? Or else we wouldn't do makeup, so. So what I'm noticing about this, when we first tried the foundation, it was really thick. And because it's thinning, because it was outside, I noticed that it's not as full coverage. It's like spreading really easily.
Really?
So I'm having to use more, which is interesting. I'm not mad at it, but interesting. Luckily, she doesn't have bad skin, so it's not a big deal that it's not like the fullest of coverage. But I think I would even put that into my fridge.
Really?
Yeah, me. I don't know. I don't know if that's like a thing, but I think I would just to keep it thick. But that's because I like full coverage. So the thing I like about this is when we swatched it, it stayed on my skin for like a long time. Like I was trying other products, I put hand sanitizer on, and it was still on my hand. Like I really had to rub it off for it to get off. So that's what we love. Like we love a foundation that has good wear. But yeah. So how do you feel about it so far? I don't know if you can really tell.
I mean, I can't really tell because the ring light. It's kind of like it looks
yeah,
good though.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the next step that I usually do is concealer. And
that's my favorite part.
Is it?
Yeah, I love concealer.
So the concealer that I use is the same one that I picked out for her. It's the e.l.f. Full Coverage 16-hour Camo Concealer. This is in the color Deep Cinnamon, and I actually use Deep Cinnamon around the outside of my face. And if you guys watch my makeup videos before, you see that I use it around the outside of my face because when you're doing natural like makeup, no makeup looks, you want to keep the kind of natural look of your face, and naturally we're darker on the outside and brighter on the middle, so I use a darker color for the outside of my face. Okay. Oh, I missed a step.
So what was that?
I missed a step. We gotta set our eyelids. Your eyelids are super oily, and people don't notice that. So you always want to set your eyelids. Super important because eyelids are super oily naturally. Those will crease.
Yeah, mine do.
You notice that, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever thought of setting your eyelids?
No. Girl, I don't know nothing about makeup.
Well, that's probably what's missing. Like, you have to set your eyelids for sure. Okay. I don't do eyeshadow, but that's the idea of eyeshadow. Like, you know how you put concealer on your eyes before you put the eyeshadow? Then you put the eyeshadow, which is a powder. So the eyeshadow kind of sets for you. Yeah. And that's why people don't set their eyelids normally, because they usually do eyeshadow. Okay. So, still have to set it.
See, yeah. At least you don't leave anything out. I feel like these bitches leave stuff out in their makeup tutorials.
You think so?
Yeah.
I mean, I think they just assume that people know. And because I was a beginner, I kind of had to learn everything myself. Because I didn't learn my makeup from YouTube. I just taught myself.
Yeah, that's me too.
And yeah, and as I went and noticed like what I didn't like, I figured out ways to fix it.
Not me. I would go to, at that point, that's when I would probably go to YouTube.
Okay. Now we're on to concealer. I promise. Okay. So, guys, we're going to put the concealer where we want to brighten. So, we want to brighten underneath the eyes. And depending on the face shape is the shape of the concealer. So, because she has like a point at the bottom of her face, but round her cheeks, we're going to go out. We're not going to go down. Because you don't want to elongate her face, right? We're just brightening. We're going to do a little bit on the nose. Just a little up there and a little right there. And a little right there.
Really? Why are you on in?
See, but that's the old school way to do makeup. And people did used to do that a lot. But times have changed, girl. Okay. And you don't want to make yourself look crazy, yeah. The idea of concealer is to just brighten, not completely change your face, you know? Mm-hmm. So I just wet the Beauty Blender just a little bit. I used to drench mine, but I noticed it kind of picks up product when you do that. Try not to squeeze your eyes, just kind of, and if you could even look up. And if I'm being too rough, let me know.
No. I'm just, like, you know, my eyes are fucking sensitive.
Yeah, they're super sensitive. Our eyes are really sensitive. They water very easily.
I like it.
Let me look at me. Okay, yeah. So I actually don't set above the lip because I find that it gets really dry and it can start to peel. So I do not set above the lip. what order do you usually do?
So I do this,
Okay.
but like I don't set. I use actually this is probably bad, but I use the contour to set.
What?
I use the highlight to set, and the contour to set. I don't know. I honestly don't know what I'm doing. I do makeup, and I don't act like I do.
You can't. The reason why you can't set with like this stuff is because it's more like a foundation powder, and you set foundation, right?
Yeah.
That's why it's gonna still crease, even if you're trying to set. It's still gonna crease because you have to still set it with a setting powder. There's colored setting powders, which is what we're using, but you can't use like a contour to set.
Okay. Now I know. And I have all the shit now to do it.
Right. And you have this palette actually, right?
Yeah, I do.
So the way that I contour is like I kind of bronze. I don't like a harsh contour. I feel like it can really like look crazy. My sister loves a harsh contour, but I do not.
Which one?
Betty. She really likes a harsh contour. Lift your chin. It's just not my thing. I feel like I look drag when I do a harsh contour. So I'm not gonna do one for you. And you have to put the contour powder under your chin to create shadow. Okay? Because I like a thicker line. I feel like it makes the shadow easier. Like, you know how some people really know how to contour. Like,
Yeah.
but I'm not a professional, so I find if you use a bigger brush, it gives you the same effect. I know that this is the part where your eyes water, but we're gonna try to make them knots. Okay? We're not gonna use.
What's about eyelashes?
Oh, lashes? Yeah. I don't even know how to do lashes.
Oh yeah, you don't do that. So, check out.
There's that. I mean, you could have done it.
I know. It would have been like bow. It would look like really.
All right, just keep your eyes closed. I'm gonna pull these back. Okay. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect. Your face set really well. I really like this powder.
It looks so good already.
I know. I
feel like a. I don't know. I like the eyeliner. I'm feeling it.
Just widen your forehead a little bit. So you have a small forehead.
I really do.
The contour closes it, so that widens it up. You see how it's like brighter? Next, we're gonna do brows. Miyako was so kind to bring us a spoolie. So now I'm just gonna brush her brows. When you brush your brows, you always want to brush up. Come on, you don't see somebody here? You don't see anybody? Huh? I do. Okay, so when you see somebody, what do you say?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, and you?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So now we're gonna conceal under the brows, just to brighten it, give it the highlighted effect. Just kind of highlight a little bit, and then you want to drag it down. So pretty. And this is actually a shadow, but it's my favorite. It's literally why I took it. I took it from Betty. You just want to, you always want to drag your highlight because, you know, people do harsh highlight lines. Turn. No, that place I could see.
I know I do. I do it my harsh. I love highlight.
And it's pretty, but it could look crazy in photos.
Yeah, it does.
And like, what's the point of your makeup if you can't take a picture? Like, honestly. You know? Such a pretty color. Okay. And now, let me see, look at me.
This is different.
I want to deepen your tear ducts just a little bit.
Okay.
Just add some dimension to your eye. Open. Yes, perfect. Okay.
That guy.
So now, did I forget anything? Some blush.
Oh, I could finish my TikTok. The one I never finished.
The one you never finish, you can.
I could finish it.
She started a TikTok and never finished it because she didn't do her makeup. I'm so done. That was like 2 weeks ago.
I know.
Okay.
Sick.
What's the beauty of TikTok? You can finish later.
Right.
Alright. So where's that blush brush we bought? We did buy one, no?
Yeah, we did.
We put a little blush, and it's for the girls. This is a cream one. I didn't even realize.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. I've never tried a cream blush.
Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Very pretty. And a cream blush is a little harder to go overboard, so that's a good thing. Okay. And now we're going to set. So you're gonna close your eyes really lightly because you just put your mascara on.
Okay.
And then. Okay. And now we're just gonna let it dry. And yeah, guys. Wait, we're gonna come back. We're gonna do her baby hairs and stuff and then come back. You guys, look at Tamara. She looks amazing.
It looks so good.
We did her baby hair, show them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, little swoopies. We did a little sideburn action. It's lit. I'm super excited because I feel like it came out so nice. I'll insert some still shots, like clips of her. What do you think about everything?
I love it. It looks so good. Like, it looks amazing.
Did you think it was gonna come out good, or did you think it was gonna be like?
No, I knew it was gonna come out good because I like when you do your makeup, so I knew it was gonna come out good.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And it's so pretty. The blush is such a pretty color. I think I'm gonna go get one for myself. I don't know if it's gonna be the same on me, but I need to get the name so I can at least try because it looks really good.
It does. It looks fun.
And you look brighter.
Yes.
Right? Mm-hmm. And now you can see like what probably was missing from your routine.
Definitely.
Okay. So from a scale of 1 to 10.
I give it a 10 because I really like it.
Oh, good. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys, Tamara does have her own YouTube channel. She's lit over there.
Yes, I do.
Don't forget to follow. I'll put it on the screen and down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah.
Bye. Guys.